Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for my new videos. Thank you!
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So ngayon guys, meron tayong parcel galing kay TikTok Shop. At ang sender natin ay si Motofax Trading Mall.
Tapos ano?
So bali guys, ang order ko dito is yung MDL na 80 watts. Yung sinasabi nilang pinakamalakas daw. So,
Pwede na!
titignan natin guys kung legit si seller or hindi. So guys, meron pa siyang free na switch.
Oh my God! Wow!
So ito na yun guys. So guys, si seller is legit. Mofax ang brand guys, Mofax. At ito yung ilaw guys, Mofax. Nakasealed talaga siya guys. So guys, si seller is legit. Thank you for watching.